My name is Bryan Prine, and I'm a sports medicine specialist here at Florida Orthopaedic Institute. I treat most general non-surgical orthopedic conditions from athletes to your weekend warriors, also to some of your older athletes with degenerative changes, and that can include minor injuries such as strains, sprains, and fractures, all the way out to chronic management with different types of injections, including steroids and viscosupplements. My philosophy and the way I approach patients is very individualized. The most important thing is the relationship there, because all patients are different and they have different goals. If I can tailor a treatment plan to a patient's specific goals based off the resources they have to work with, then your success and your compliance are very, very high. The biggest thing I like to see in a patient outcome is that they can get back to doing things that bring quality and meaning to their life. Everybody's going to answer that a little bit differently there, which takes different approaches to doing that. But if I can accomplish that, make somebody's life happier and more meaningful, then I've done my job. My favorite thing about coming to work every day, honestly, is the relationships I get to build with my patients, my staff, and my colleagues. Without the relationships, there's not a lot of meaning in what I do. And if I can make somebody else's life better and they can make mine better, then we've probably accomplished our goals for today. One of the things that sets Florida Orthopaedic Institute apart is the quality of providers that we have, the breadth of services that we can offer, and the personalized approach that we have the freedom of doing, being a patient-centered but physician-driven type of medical practice. Hopefully the end result from patients coming to see me is a concierge type experience from a physician-patient relationship standpoint, VIP treatment, and excellent outcomes.